When you're looking at a property online, it's easy to get caught up in the pictures, but here's the thing. Photos don't always tell the true story. A well-angled shot can make a house look bigger or more beautiful than it really is, and sometimes they leave out the things you really want to know, like how close the property is to a busy street or the overall condition of the neighborhood. That's where satellite imagery can be a big game changer. With tools like Google Earth, Bing Maps, Google Maps, and Sentinel Hub, you can get an aerial view of the property and its surroundings. These tools let you zoom out, check out the layout of the neighborhood, and even see how the area has changed over time. It's a great way to spot things that might not show up in a photography, like flood zones, nearby developments, or even areas with lots of shade that might affect your garden. But even with all that tech, nothing beats having a real person on the ground. That's where I come in. As your realtor, I can preview the property, check out the condition in person, and get a true sense of the area. I'll notice the things you might miss in the pictures or on a map, and I'll give you an honest assessment of whether it's the right fit for you. So before you make a decision, let me help you get the full picture, because sometimes a good map and an experienced eye are the best way to make sure you're getting what you expect. My name's Leanne Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.